Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Hi, today in this video, I will tell you how you can make kids' story videos while using AI and earn money by uploading these videos on YouTube, so let's start. We will take 4 steps to make this video. First of all, we sign in on ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, we write down, "Give me kids' stories idea." Here, ChatGPT gives you so many ideas. You can choose any according to your choice. Then ChatGPT create a story for you. So we got the story. In step 2, we will create a voiceover. For this, there are so many tools available. We use Elevenlabs AI tools. In its free version, we can use 10,000 words. So we copy the story, create it in ChatGPT, and place it on Elevenlabs to create a voiceover. Click the Generate button, listen to it, and then download. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her infectious laughter and her love. Now come to step 3. We will generate images for our story. There are so many AI tools available, but today I am using BlueWillow. In its free version, you can use 20 images. Now what you have to do is go to ChatGPT and copy 2 lines of the story, and go to BlueWillow and paste these lines. It will create visuals for you. Download these visuals as many as you want. Now we come to step number 4. Okay, so now we have images for our story. We will make an animated story video. For this, you can use any video editing software. I will use Canva and Capcut. Both have paid and free versions, first of all. In the free version, we have all the good features. Both are very simple to use. Open Canva. Import all images with voiceover, and download it as one video. And for some more editing, I will open Capcut and add more animation and video effects to make it better. Let's see what it looks like. You can see how easy to make these stories. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her infectious laughter and her love for exploring the outdoors. If you think this video is good, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. A mysterious place called the Secret Garden of Giggles.